Let's practice your English. I read white. You read yellow. Discussing the new movie Sapphire. Conversation between two friends Priya and Ravi. I'll play the role of Priya, and you'll play the role of Ravi. We'll start by listening to the entire dialogue and then we'll move on to practicing it. Let's start. Hey, Ravi. Yes, I just watched it last night. It was amazing. Akshay Kumar was on fire.
Totally, his action scenes were incredible. Did you see that rooftop chase? My heart was racing.
Oh, I know. And the way he jumped from building to building, insane. He really nailed the role of a fearless cop.
Absolutely, and the dialogues. So many memorable lines. Main Sarfira Hoon, Mujh koi rak nahi sakta, classic Akshay Kumar.
Haha, yes, I love that line. And what about the comedy beats? I couldn't stop laughing during the interrogation scene.
That was hilarious. Only Akshay can mix intense action with perfect comic timing.
And the storyline was pretty gripping too. I didn't expect that twist at the end.
Same here, I thought I had it all figured out, but the ending totally surprised me. It kept me on the edge of my seat.
The supporting cast was great too. That new actress, I think her name is Ananya, she did a fantastic job.
Yeah, she was really good. She and Akshay had great chemistry. It made the movie even more enjoyable.
Definitely. I hope they do more movies together. So, what's your overall rating?
I'd give it a solid 9 out of 10. It had everything: action, comedy, drama, and a good plot. What about you?
Same here. It's a must-watch for any Akshay Kumar fan. Can't wait to see what he does next.
Me too. Alright, next time a big movie comes out, we should watch it together.
Absolutely. Let's plan for it. Maybe we can grab dinner afterwards and discuss it.
Sounds like a plan. Talk to you later, Priya.
Bye, Ravi. Catch you later. Let's practice your English. Now. Hey, Ravi. Yes, I just watched it last night. It was amazing. Akshay Kumar was on fire. Oh, I know. And the way he jumped from building to building, insane. He really nailed the role of a fearless cop. Haha, yes, I loved that line. And what about the comedy bits? I couldn't stop laughing during the interrogation scene. And the storyline was pretty gripping too. I didn't expect that twist at the end. The supporting cast was great too. That new actress, I think her name is Ananya, she did a fantastic job. Definitely. I hope they do more movies together. So, what's your overall rating? Same here, it's a must-watch for any Akshay Kumar fan. Can't wait to see what he does next. Absolutely. Let's plan for it. Maybe we can grab dinner afterwards and discuss it. Bye, Ravi. Catch you later. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for future uploads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.